Hi guys, welcome to Websensepro. Welcome to another video, another Shopify how-to video. And in this video, I'll show you guys how you can add before after slider to all of your free Shopify themes. So this feature is not yet available for free in all of the channels. If you Google it out, you won't be able to find this slider functionality for your theme for free. There are some tutorials which are paid, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this before after slider, which you can see on my screen here. So as you can see, there's a car and we have added this before after slider. We have this label showing up here, and that's another slider which we added. And we can also add content on the right hand side of this slider. So if you want to add the heading, or if you want to add the content below that, you can do that as well. And you will have the settings on your customize. So that's the section. That's the third slider which we have added. You will select before image here, after image here, and you can disable and enable content. You can also disable and enable the grayscale image. So if you want the before image to be on a grayscale mode, you can simply select this checkbox here. And as you can see, this image is now showing up as grayscale. You can deactivate it, the grayscale mode here. And you can also show badges optionally. If you want to add the badges, you can show that. And if you do not want to show that, you can simply uncheck it. So here are the three slider which we added. You will have this section showing up on your customize settings. All you have to do is just click on add section. And when you search on before after, you will have this section ready to go if you follow this video. So keep watching this video in which I'm going to show you guys how you can add this section. So this section is also mobile friendly. So if you visit the section mobile, you can see that it automatically adjusts itself in mobile version as well. In this video description, you will find a link where you can simply copy and paste the code which I'm going to provide you guys, and I'm also going to share how you can do that. Okay, so let's go to the back end of my development store, and that's the theme section. So if you log in and click on online store and then themes, I have this theme activated where I have already added the code. What I'm going to do, I'll install a fresh theme. So let's install a fresh Dawn theme. Okay, my Dawn theme has been added. Now I'm going to publish this one. Click on publish again. Okay, the fresh Dawn theme has been installed. I'm going to close the old tab here and let's preview this one. Okay, so that's how our Dawn theme looks like. And now we will add the code which I'll provide you guys. So in order to add the code and create the section, click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Guys, before proceeding with this tutorial, I would like to request you guys please subscribe to our channel, like this video so we can keep creating these free tutorials for you. Also, there is a link for the new Shopify store owners. So if you want to avail the opportunity of sign up to Shopify for just $1 per month for 3 months, you can do so by clicking on the link below. So it's a promotion going on. If you want to sign up for Shopify just for $1, click on the link below. Okay, so we are on the back end and we are on the code editor. All we have to do is just scroll down here, click on sections, and then click on add new section. And we can name it before dash after slider. You can name it whatever you want. Click on done. And now just remove all of the code currently existing there. So I'm going to remove the code. And the code I'm going to use is this one. Again, I'll put the link of this blog post in YouTube video description, from where you can simply click on this copy code button and then paste the code here to make this section workable. Okay, after pasting the code, just hit the save button. And now let's click on these three small dots and then go to customize theme to add our slider section. I'm going to open that on a new tab. Okay, our customized settings are open now. Now all we need to do is just click on add section button here, search for before, and then here we have our before after slider. And now just click on that and choose your before and after image to display the slider. Okay, now I'm going to select the before and after image here to display my slider. So click on select image here, and that's the car image slider which I used, which I showed you guys. And I'm going to select this picture here for my before image, and then for the after image section I'm going to select this one. And now as you can see, my slider is showing up now. Now let's click on save, and here you go. Now you can see the transformation of my car. So that's the before and that's the after. Now as I showed you guys already, we can show the badges of before and after. So it will show the before after badges. We can also add grayscale to our before image. If you want to display it as a grayscale, we can do that as well. And we can also show content. So if I add some content, before after transformation of my car, before after transformation of my car, and click on show content here. Now you can see that content is showing up. Now I can simply uncheck it if I don't want to display the content. And let's test it out in the mobile version. So that's how it looks on mobile version. Let's click on save. And let's test out how the content looks like in the mobile version. So that's how the content looks like in the mobile version. Again, it's optional. You can hide and display the content based on your need. And that's it, guys. That's the section which we coded for you guys. Again, it's not available for free anywhere else. It's just available in our YouTube channel, in our website. So make sure to hit the thumbs up icon and comment below and let me know what more videos you would like to see. I'm getting a really good response in terms of number of comments you are giving to me, and it's really hard for me to catch up for all of the requests, but I'm trying my best to create as many tutorials as possible. So until next video, have a great day.